So this is how I fix the Mani Pro Passport. It won't turn anything, so you can see it's dead. I believe um, the bearing inside bad, so you need to remove the pit, and then I use a rubber to wrap around to make it easy to turn to remove it. If it doesn't turn, you can use something to help you to remove it. And make sure you hold the silver thing. Don't let it go. If you let it go, it's some trouble there. You have to put it back. It's kind of hard. So you can see it's hard to take it out. I think the bearing is broke, so a piece is like stuck in there. Just gentle knock it. If it doesn't now, you need to have something to. I think it's stuck. Usually it's easy to come out, but I see the piece of metal. It pop out and it block the way to get out. Yeah, it blocked the way. So I take it out and it should be easy to come out. Yeah, just like that. So there's two bearing, one top, one bottom, and I think three flats, three flats. This is old one. I think three flats. Yeah. So bearing, the bar, and then three flats, and then the tube, and then the bearing. Didn't pay attention, but I think that's the order. If you remove it, make sure you check the order. I may do it wrong, but let's see if it work. So the bearing, two flats, the black one, and then the silver one. Look like. I don't know, but if it doesn't work, and then we do it again. And the tube, and then the small bearing. Something is a bit tight there, so could be I do it wrong. Let's see. Maybe I do it wrong. No, maybe it stuck something in there. That's why not turn. Let me tie it back again. See. Yeah, I think it's okay now because when I put the pit in, and it's easy. Yeah, it should be like this. Yeah, it should be like this. Very, very, very gentle and balanced. So I think I fix it by buy the two bearing from Amazon. Price kind of expensive, $35, but I fix it. Thank you for watching. Bye now.